Hi guys, I know I've been MIA for a few weeks because I've been slacking on life, but today I'm going to be filming my glowy foundation routine that I do whenever I want to look really highlighted and beaming and glowy. So if you want to see how to get that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. I use this all the time when I put on my foundation, no matter what. This is basically the only primer I use. And of course, before you put on your foundation and everything, you want to make sure that your skin is moisturized and prepped. So then I'm going to be going into my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Buff Bisque and I think this is a L'Oreal sponge. No idea, honestly. And I just put this all over my face. And then buff that in with my sponge. Now, I would normally use a more glowy foundation, but I just haven't picked one up yet. I have always been like a matte foundation type of person because I have oily skin, kind of. But lately I've been like really into glowy skin, and my skin hasn't been that oily, but I haven't picked up a glowy foundation yet, so this is just like the least matte one I have. And then I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light Neutral 15. I just ordered a backup of this because I am almost out. I use this every single day. It has replaced my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I love it. And again, just buffing that out with my sponge. And I always bring it on my eyelids to use as a base for my eyeshadow. And then using my NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder and my Morphe M438 brush, I'm just going to set my under eyes. And everywhere else I put my concealer. Taking my ColourPop bronzer in Afternoon Delight and just bronzing up my skin lightly. And putting some of that on my forehead too. Then I'm gonna go into my MAC Eternal Sun blush. And just pop that right above my bronzer. So then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek Highlight. It is amazing, beautiful, stunning. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and just start dabbing it on top of my cheeks. and dabbing and blending at the same time. And I bring it onto my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. Cool. And doing the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to put some of that on my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to pop some of the Dose of Colors Desi x Katie Fuego highlight on top of that. Not a lot, but just a little bit. I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so that completes my glowy foundation routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestions for videos you want to see, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!